Hello, welcome to our video tutorials. These videos will show you the installation for single-tenant door stations. In this video, we'll take the AKUVOX Smart Intercom R20 as an example. First, we will discuss product unpacking. Always check that you have the correct mounting hardware for installation. We have two types of installation hardware: the wall-mounted and the flush-mounted installation. The one on the left is for flush mounting, and the one on the right is for wall mounting. We might only need one of them, so always check that you have the correct mount before installation. Next, please check that you have all of the accessories that come in the box. To be sure that you have all of the necessary parts, please check with the quick installation guide for the complete list of parts. There are many different kinds of physical interfaces on the device, as you can see on the screen. Please check and make sure that you have all of the necessary wires reserved for the installation. For the basic installation of the intercom, you want to power the unit and wire the relay for access control. To power the device, we need one UTP cable with PoE and wires for relay connection to corresponding pins. If there is no PoE, you can also use the 12-volt direct power input by using an adapter or PoE injector. Here, we have some examples to show the different wiring connections. Ethernet connection with Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Direct 12-volt power input wiring. Relay wiring for access control. RS-485 wiring for some RS-485 supported devices, such as elevator control units. Wiring of input devices, such as exit buttons and sensors. Thanks for watching. We wish you a pleasant experience with AKUVOX. Hello, welcome to our video tutorials. These videos will show you the steps for wall-mounted installation with 86 embedded boxes for single-tenant door stations. In this video, we'll take the AKUVOX Smart Intercom R20 as an example. Now, let's move on to the installation. First things first, for safety concerns, please make sure on-site power is completely turned off before you get started. Please only use our recommended network cable in the installation. Now, let's start installing the unit by first installing the bracket. Place the bracket properly on the wall according to the position of the 86 embedded box. Then, use a pencil to mark the location of the holes on the wall. Use a 5mm diameter bit hand drill to drill the holes. Now, you will be able to insert fixing seats into the holes. Place the bracket properly on the wall again and fix the bracket with the 4 screws. Here, we suggest to start screwing with 2 screws in the middle with the 86 embedded box and use a level meter to help with the installation. Next, we are going to install the back cover. We recommend using a rope for preventing the device from falling by accident in a single-person installation. First, you need to let the cables go through the back cover. The back cover is indispensable for waterproofing, so please carefully follow the steps in the video. Connect the cables. For connecting the door locks, please wire the relay. Here, we have a PoE Ethernet cable. You may plug the cable into the Ethernet port. After wiring, fix the back cover with the 4 screws. Again, for waterproofing, please select a suitable size rubber plug to compress the cables tightly. Finally, insert a locking cable plate and use 2 screws to fix it to the intercom. The back cover installation has been completed. Last step is to install the main unit. You must place the device into the bracket and pull it down to ensure its groove hooks onto the bracket's lock catches. Finally, screw 2 screws in the bottom to tighten the device. We strongly recommend using the provided screws to reduce the risk of tampering. Now, the whole installation is finished. Thanks for watching. We wish you a pleasant experience with AKUVOX.